This is a fully working business website. Hero section, services, contact form, mobile responsive, live on the internet. I built the entire thing using Claude AI. No template, no page builder, no developer. 15 minutes. Let me show you exactly how. I'm going to build this from scratch right now, on screen, in real time. No editing out the mistakes, no skipping steps. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to do this yourself, for free. Let's go. The first thing most people get wrong is the prompt. They type something like "build me a website" and then wonder why the output looks like it was made in 2009. You need to give Claude actual context. The more specific you are, the better the result. Vague prompts give you vague websites. Let me show you what a proper prompt looks like. Here's what I'm typing. Business name, NovaBuild Agency. Industry, web design and digital services. Sections needed, a hero with headline, subheadline, and a call to action button. A services section with 3 services, web design, SEO, and AI integration. An about section with a short paragraph. A contact form with name, email, message, and a submit button. And a footer with copyright. Design style, modern, dark background, white text, blue accent. Fully mobile responsive. Output only clean, complete HTML in a single file. Notice what I did there. I gave it the business name, the exact sections I want, the colors, and I told it to output everything in a single HTML file. That last part matters. You want one file you can actually use, not 10 separate pieces you have to figure out how to connect. Hit send and watch what happens. It's writing the full HTML, CSS, and JavaScript in one shot. Hero section, done. Services cards, done. About section, done. Contact form, coming up now. Footer, and it's finished. The whole thing took about 30 seconds to generate. Now here's what most tutorials skip. You don't just copy this blindly. You preview it first. I'm copying everything Claude generated, opening VS Code, creating a new file called index.html, pasting the code in, Now I'm going to locate the file and open this file directly on my browser just by double-clicking it. And there it is, already looking clean. Dark background, services laid out properly, about section reads well, contact form is there at the bottom. Let me check mobile. I'll resize the browser window. Everything stacks correctly. It's already responsive without me doing a single thing manually. But I want to make a few changes. The hero headline Claude AI wrote is decent, but I want something sharper. The button text could be better too. And I want the cards to feel a little more premium. So instead of touching the code myself, I'm going back to Claude and describing exactly what I want changed, in the same conversation. I'm asking it to change the hero headline to "We build websites that actually work." Change the call to action button to "Get a free quote." Make the services cards have a subtle border instead of a solid background. And add a smooth scroll effect when clicking the navigation links so the page feels polished. Claude is rewriting the relevant sections now and giving me the updated code. I copy it, go back to VS Code, replace the old file content, save, and refresh the browser. There, headline updated, button copy changed, the cards look cleaner and more refined, and clicking the nav links now scrolls smoothly to each section instead of jumping. That entire round of edits took less than 2 minutes. No CSS knowledge needed, no JavaScript, nothing. Just describing what I wanted in plain English. Now, let's get this live on the internet. First step is GitHub. If you don't have a GitHub account, go to github.com and sign up. It's completely free. Once you're in, you're going to create a new repository. Click the plus icon at the top right, then click New Repository. Give it a name. I'll call mine NovaBuild-Website. Set it to public. then click Create Repository. Now GitHub is going to show you a page with instructions. What we want to do is upload our file directly. Click the link that says Uploading an existing file. This brings up a drag and drop area. Grab your index.html file from your computer and drop it right in. You'll see it appear in the upload list. Scroll down, add a short commit message, something like Add Website Files, and click Commit Changes. Your file is now on GitHub. You can see it sitting right there in your repository. This is your website's home, version controlled, backed up, and ready to deploy. Now let's make it live. Go to vercel.com. If you don't have an account, click Sign Up. You can sign up with your GitHub account directly, which is what I recommend. It makes everything connect automatically. Click Continue with GitHub, authorize Vercel, and you're in. Once you're inside the Vercel dashboard, click Add New, then Project.
Vercel is going to ask you to import a Git repository. You'll see your GitHub repositories listed. Find NovaBuild website and click Import. On the next screen, Vercel shows you the project settings. You don't need to change anything here. The framework is just plain HTML, so leave it as Other. Click Deploy. Vercel is now building your project. You'll see a progress screen. It usually takes about 30 seconds. And there it is. Congratulations! Your site is live. Click the Visit button and your website opens in a new tab with a real Vercel URL. Fully live, real URL. Works on mobile. Anyone in the world can open this right now. No hosting fees, no server setup, no complicated configuration. You went from a blank Claude chat to a live website on the internet. Let me scroll through the final result one more time. Hero section with a strong headline and call to action. Services laid out cleanly in cards. About section, contact form, footer, mobile responsive, professional looking. And the total time from opening Claude to having a live URL, 15 minutes. Now here's the thing. This took 10 to 15 minutes because I knew exactly how to prompt it. That's the real skill. Claude can build almost anything you can describe clearly enough. The more specific your prompt, the better the output. Once you understand that, you can build landing pages, portfolio sites, business websites, product pages, anything, without writing a single line of code yourself. If this helped you, subscribe. I drop AI build videos every week. Real projects, free tools, step-by-step workflows. Everything I use today is linked in the description. See you in the next one.